Hi, I'm DeCarlo Brown from the Calvert County Department of Planning and Zoning. People interested in the future of the Prince Frederick Town Center are invited to participate in a virtual public workshop hosted by the Department of Planning and Zoning on behalf of the Calvert County Planning Commission. The workshop is a continuation of the Prince Frederick Town Center Master Plan update process and will focus on the transportation and land use in Prince Frederick. Interim results from the Prince Frederick Transportation Challenges and Opportunity Survey will be discussed. The virtual workshop will be held Thursday, November 19th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Those wishing to participate must register in advance. Registration details can be accessed on the Town Center Master Plan Update webpage via a link from calvertcountymd.gov/Town Center Update, the meetings calendar on the county website, and on the county's Facebook page. Registration closes at 4:30 p.m. on Tuesday, November 17th, or when capacity is reached, whichever comes first. It may take up to one business day to receive confirmation. The workshop will also be streamed live for viewing on the Calvert County Government Facebook page, county website, COMCAST Channel 6, and 1070 HD. The workshop will be conducted by Planning and Zoning staff and Sabert & Associates Incorporated, a meeting hunt company. Sabert & Associates Incorporated is the consulting company that was selected to assist the county with updating the Prince Frederick Town Center Master Plan elements of transportation and land use. Sabert & Associates Incorporated worked on the Calvert County Transportation Plan, which was adopted by the Board of County Commissioners in March. All who live, work, shop, or visit Prince Frederick for other reasons are encouraged to participate in the Prince Frederick Transportation Challenges and Opportunity Survey. Visit the Town Center Master Plan Update webpage for a link to the survey. For more information about the Prince Frederick Master Plan Update, visit calvertcountymd.gov/Town Center Update, email towncenterupdate@calvertcountymd.gov, or call 410-535-1600, extension 2356. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you virtually on November 19th.